Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to deploy your Google AI Studio app to Vercel in just a few steps. First, head over to Google AI Studio and build your app. Make sure it's working exactly how you want it before you deploy. Once you're ready, look at the top right corner and click on Save to GitHub. This will upload your app's code to your GitHub repository. Next, go to vercel.com and log in. Once you're in, click on Import Project. This option connects your GitHub repository with Vercel. If it's your first time, you'll need to authorize Vercel to access your GitHub. Just follow the prompts, and once you're authorized, Vercel will show a list of your GitHub repos. Select the one that contains your Google AI Studio app. Vercel will automatically detect your project settings. Double check everything, then click Import. And finally, hit deploy. Vercel will start building your app, and within a few moments, you'll get a live link to your hosted app. Now you can share this link with anyone or even set up a custom domain for a more professional look. That's it, your Google AI Studio app is live on Vercel. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.